inside. You guys battle too hard and take each other out and lose a couple positions. Josh is leading him around, but Joel's about 15 feet behind him. Bill jumping into that number 3 spot. Barb right behind him, then Matt Willard, then Little Ricky. Everybody's still pretty close. The two leaders are trying to stretch it out. Let's worry about the guy in front of you. You've got battles forming everywhere. First and second, third and fourth, fifth and sixth. 5:45 left. I think that's third and fourth. Getting into each other then. Willard getting in there. Little Ricky's coming out looking for the outside. Gets the outside and the inside. Guy grabs the tube. Little Ricky jumps in the number 4 spot. Barb floating by herself in third. Joel still leads them. Or Josh, I'm sorry. Oh, then he overshoots the jump. So you gotta try to keep it smooth, just like you were. His dad's gonna come out on top. Keep it smooth. Still 5 minutes of racing left. 5 minutes, there's a ton of time. Joel 27.3, Josh 21.9, Barb 23.6, Matt 27.5, Little Ricky 28.6, and Bill 30.2. Barbara's all by herself. Our leader's coming up behind 2 guys battling for position. You can try to get by cleanly. Don't hit him, that's our leader. Second place, coming up behind. Bill there, trying to get back into the battle with his dad. Somebody grab that car, hurry. Go wide on the straight, wide. Okay, that's good. Joel still leading them around. Getting through the last traffic kind of cleanly. There's still just under 4 minutes. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. That's a ton of time. Just got to keep hitting your marks like you were before. Our leader slides off at the end of the straight. Guys are starting to overdrive a little bit. The track's getting a little bit slicker as the time goes on. A little less throttle. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Running orders. Joel, Josh, Barb, Matt, Little Ricky, Bill, and Josh Better. Josh Nail There's a minute left, but he grabbed the tube. I can allow that to stretch it out just a little bit more. Take it easy, that was our leader. That's our leader. Just let him go, he'll go by you. Try not to run our leader